There's plenty of water over there if you want it.
We have plenty of...
Cheers. Nah. Rainwater, 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 rainwater from the rain in the 40s. Supposed to be a whole town out there somewhere got lost in a 6-month dust storm back in the 40s. People just walk. I heard of blokes getting blokes on their own farms.
On their own property? It's amazing.
Oh, there's one up here, across. Takes 6 days to dry.
Yeah.
So I used to work.
What'd you do there?
I can tell you, but then I'd have to kill you.
Man, you must love the freedom.
Well,
freedom. You know, hanging out and shit, and nature and shit. Cruise around the bush, and love the SuuS.
right.
Saying cool stuff like, that's not an island. This is an island. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
Bloody women in sus. Well, I'll let you know when I get it going. Still awake, are you? You know, a man's a real fucking... Took 4 hours to get those parts out of your fucking car, right? Now the fucking bus will burn. What do you think of that? Hey, yeah. Now, where were we? Oh, yeah.
Let's play. You like to play, don't you?
Piece ass weak. How the hell did you get it? You're wasting your time, eh?
Let her go.
No! Oh! Get away from her! No!
Now, Lizzie.
No!
Now,
A rifle in the wrong hands can be, really dangerous, so...
get it off, fucking What happened?
Oh, I'll get a blanket. Get you some blankets.
Winner, Hannah.